Summer puts significant stress on your awning, making pre-season preparation essential for comfort and cost savings. Regular inspections and maintenance prevent small problems from becoming expensive repairs during peak heat. Start by examining your awning for warning signs. Faded fabric colors indicate UV damage, while thinning material or loose tension suggests wear. Check for visible sagging or uneven stretching. Test the retraction and extension mechanism for jerky movements or grinding noises. Look for dark stains, mold, mildew, or musty odors that signal moisture problems. Inspect all hardware for looseness. Proper preparation involves several key steps. Clean the fabric thoroughly to remove accumulated dirt, pollen, and debris. Examine the material closely for tears, frayed edges, and weak stitching. Lubricate all moving components including hinges, arms, and tracks to ensure smooth operation. Verify proper drainage and alignment to prevent standing water. Apply protective treatments to boost UV protection and moisture resistance. The benefits of maintenance extend beyond the awning itself. A well-maintained awning blocks direct sunlight and reduces glare, keeping outdoor areas significantly cooler. This shade lowers indoor temperatures, cutting cooling costs and improving energy efficiency. The UV protection prevents furniture fading and material deterioration on your patio. Better shade coverage creates more usable outdoor living space throughout the summer. Professional service becomes necessary for certain issues. Severe fabric damage like major tears or extensive fading requires expert attention. Mechanical problems such as motor failures or retraction issues need professional diagnosis. Water pooling demands immediate action to prevent fabric stretching and weakening. Schedule seasonal maintenance before summer peaks to ensure readiness for heavy use. Professionals can identify hidden damage and improve overall reliability. Between professional visits, maintain your awning by using gentle cleaning solutions for mildew, lubricating moving parts regularly, and checking for rust or loose fasteners. Protect your investment during storms by retracting the awning during strong winds. Follow manufacturer guidelines for wind speed limits. These simple precautions significantly extend your awning's lifespan while maintaining its appearance and functionality throughout the demanding summer months.